All right, Ramblers, we are at the Tampa RV Show, actually Florida RV Super Show. And we are taking another look at the open range 3X series, the 393 TBR. Now we've done this one before, but we kind of got rushed through it. This is the one with 3 bedrooms. So we're gonna go in and take a little closer look because we had a lot of questions about the bedroom in the back and how big it was.
Oh, we're the only ones in here. This is fantastic. It was not like this last time.
All right, before we continue, let's pause and take a quick look at the floor plan and some of the key specs. Feel free to pause if you'd like to take a closer look.
We love this unit. This was probably one of the highlights of our Hershey views.
It was. Oh, and look at this. We are ready to go today.
I gotta find my measuring tape because we had tons of people ask how long, like how much room there was to pull out the bed, how long the bed was. I got a lot of stuff
Today
in here.
all will be revealed.
That's right.
Here's another look at the loft. That's above one of the bedrooms. And I'll do a walkthrough of the 2 rooms while Darcy is finding her tape measure. So this is room number 1 in the back. And you see your entrance there. Now I think they may have changed the closets a little bit. Okay, they did. So now they're shared. I think on the last one you had half of it, right?
Yes, that is correct. So now it's shared. So they changed that. Okay. And we'll link our other video below, right?
Yes.
So, okay, so let's do some measurements here because we had so many people asking last time about how long everything was. So can you hold that, honey? All right, so, no, let me give it to me this end. Okay, so
it's probably maybe 70 inches, 72 maybe.
60 right here. And then 60, about 70. Okay. And then the depth of this seat is about 23 inches. Yeah. Oh, you're amazing. Yes. We had so many people ask us on our channel what this looked like pulled out. So there is walking room.
Yes.
Okay. Fantastic. This is so great. Okay, and I'm going to measure this. So this is about 49 inches. Yep, 49 inches. Okay.
And there is support underneath.
Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay, that's great.
You're not gonna
probably
fall
like,
off.
don't get on there.
There is support underneath.
Okay. Oh,
That is easy.
Slides right back.
So would you say there was about what, maybe like 8 inches or so?
I mean, you probably have.
Good, you're fine.
8 to 10 inches. Yeah. Okay. That's great. And then this just is 12 inches by 31 inches. It's just hard to see when you're watching a video, but you have so many people that are interested in this. So, and I think the one that we saw in Hershey did not have a shared closet. It was like one side, one side here and then the other side, okay.
Keep walking.
Okay.
We're checking it out. They're good.
Thank you so much.
Well, if somebody wanted to, they could knock something.
Sure, for sure. Yeah. But it's nice to have the option. So, because if you're using the other side as a office or something, this person could use everything this whole thing as a closet. So, okay. Thank you for that.
Any other questions?
Not yet, but if we have more, we'll ask you for sure.
Perfect. And my name is Kevin.
Okay, thanks, Kevin. Yeah. And I got in that shower, right? And the shower was like...
You have a door over here. Do you want to get
Yeah,
back
let
in?
me get... Yeah, so kind of like this is a huge step. Huge step. But this is a tub in here. So once you get in here, which once you get in here, I mean, obviously there's tons of room. Hi! How are you? I like your braids.
Mom braided.
She did. She did a really good job. I love it. So this, you kind of have to be careful getting out, but this is a 3-panel glass shower. And you do have, I mean, probably, you know what, since I have this right in my hand, I'm going to measure. You have about a 10-inch tub in here. So 8 inches that you could probably put water in for sure. So if you wanted to wash a kid or a dog.
And the bigger the kid or the dog, the less water you'll need to fill it up.
That's right. That's true.
This public service announcement is brought to you by chubby people.
But like, you have a little bit of counter space here. You could easily put something right here, extra like shelving or something. I just love this so much.
I know. Every time you get in this one, you just think,
You just
oh,
like,
this
I
would be
get all
perfect.
giddy. It's like, this is just,
Nothing like it. We
No.
haven't seen anything like this at the show
no,
yet.
it's
Seen a couple
incredible.
variations.
Yeah, but nothing
No.
done as well as this. You have the upper bunk. This is kind of a smaller person bed. And then this again pulls out like the other side.
Now this does fold up
Yes, it
so
does.
that you can just have more headroom.
Which is really nice. I love that when it's down, you get both windows. But if it's up, this still is a really nice big window. Sometimes
Well,
I
and
feel...
this, I see this as storage. Put some totes up there for some
to
storage.
put some netting up there for sure.
You get this clay pot.
But I love the idea of having a, you know, I should have laid down on that.
Oh, you can lay
bed
out.
in
Oh,
there.
is this different size or is this the same
I
one?
think it's the same size. I think it's the same size, but I guess, okay, so let me just lay down on this. So I'm 5'10", and like you really couldn't be any more than that, but if you had it pulled out, you could sleep diagonal
Yeah.
and be taller.
Just a little diagonal. Yeah,
Yeah,
totally.
yeah, for sure.
That is a perfect way to measure the size of that bed. You know, and I will point out that these doors are just a little narrow. They're not too small,
No,
but they are just a little on the
let
narrow
me
side.
measure. So the opening right here is about 18 inches
Okay.
because this is a folding door. I don't know how you. Oh, there we go. Okay, so folding door. Then when it's open, yeah, it's
I'll
about
tell
an
you,
18 inch.
I feel the 18 inches when I go through it.
Me too.
But that's me.
Me and my bag.
I'm not
It's a
really
sideways
the
step.
average.
So you can let everybody know they are reconstructing this door
Oh,
for the pantry.
oh, because
TV.
that's
So they are going to redo this.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if the door was left open, it's not going to bang the
okay.
TV.
Okay. Thanks for pointing that out.
And another change is going to be with the sofa here. You're not going to have these big things here. It's going to be all flat. The cup holders are going to
Fold down. Okay, so they're not permanent. So somebody could sleep on it. Okay.
When is that change coming?
It's in the process right now.
Okay.
So they're
So going
switching over.
forward, Yep. That's what
Okay.
it's gonna be.
We love the dual suite too, though. I mean, all three of these 3X they all have something kind of unique about them that we really like. So,
They're
and the price point is just, it's manageable.
Yeah.
You know, if you
You
take
get a
care of
lot
it.
for that price.
Yeah.
There's other manufacturers that you do not get this, and it's as much or more.
Oh, more. Yeah. I mean, into the six figures.
You know,
So,
even with your appliances, it's all GE appliances, water dispenser, ice maker, you have dishwasher.
I remember
the dishwasher.
That really is.
well, and the other thing I just walked up here, I remember what we love is the shower.
Yeah, so
I mean,
that's
for a
36
corner.
by 36 corner. I know when everybody says, "Oh, I don't want a corner shower," but this don't feel like
That's
no,
not a corner
it's
shower.
not. It's not a radius shower. It's an
Yeah.
actual. It's a good size shower, and I think it looks really nice too. Yeah, we were really impressed with this. And I forgot about
Oh,
this
the
space
tower
right
tilt
here.
bed,
Like,
yeah.
it's just insane. Like,
Oh, and I forgot about how much cabinetry and
Yes.
drawer space there was. Oh, this is coming back and looking at it. The,
It's
the
just-
tilt bed.
like, I want to see if I can even. That is 47, about 46 inches.
Of space with the bed.
Yeah. And then this is 50 inches.
So you could pull that out. It slides out, and you could use that as a desk. The top, yeah.
So you could put the piece back there, like, and
And
then.
you have room to spare for like a big old gaming chair if you wanted.
So the depth on this is 16, about 16 inches, yeah. So desk space, if you needed it, because you have that other room if you, but yeah, if you needed office space. Yeah, I forgot how much we liked these.
And then you do have, so the system that this is on, you're not able to have the,
Oh, underbeds, so
underneath,
you
but
have,
you do have an
that's really great.
We love the tilt bed.
Oh, it just makes so much room. And then this is washer dryer in here, right?
Yep,
Okay.
it sure is.
All right.
And then you'll have 3 ACs, whisper quiet. So first day we had them on, and everybody's asking, well, what kind of ACs? Are they loud? I'm like, they're on.
They're on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it makes a huge
Let me
difference.
crank them up.
Okay. Oh, and this window's gorgeous. Like, it's just not, yeah. This is great.
I'll soon be behind you.
No, you're good. Oh, watch out, honey. He's going to
Here,
move
so
the,
that way you can
yeah, you
see.
can see
I'm
the
gonna-
difference.
I'm going to trade you places.
Okay. So if I measure it again, we can do the math and see how much extra
We
space it
can.
gives
We will
you.
use the power of math.
I think it was 48.
Sometimes the math don't math. But this unit, it really matters.
It does math. Okay, that is good. Yeah, no, it's true. Okay, so this is 27. So it gives you basically almost another 20 inches,
So you have over 2 feet still.
almost 2 feet
the end.
of space.
Wow.
Extra space. Yeah, but this is, yeah, this
So even
is,
with the bed down, you've got plenty
you
of room
have
to
still
get
have
through.
plenty of room.
It just helps getting in that closet. You know, if you are doing laundry, you put the
Yes.
washer in there. So now you have.
Which is fantastic.
Yes.
And then you have a place to put the laundry. At our house, that's called Laundry Mountain.
I think it should always be by a bed. That's where everyone stacks it.
Yeah, it just, but that does make it a lot nicer, especially because if you're doing it sideways like this, to have this space. Really well designed. I mean,
Well, we
Love
would use
this.
this as a couple's trailer, even if it's just us, because of all that room in the back. It just gives you options,
if our granddaughter comes, she could have her own space. We could make one part an office. I mean, it's very versatile. And I love what you said that they're changing about the sofa. Because I did like this sofa because you have the armrest on. Everybody gets at least one, but the fact that you can choose and pull it
if
down.
you fold it down, then you can use it as a
Yes,
you can
right.
lay down on it.
Yeah. You could lay down on it, still sit here, and have room for the dogs.
Yeah, I love this.
Yeah.
Love this RV.
Well, Kevin, this has been. I really appreciate you telling us about the updates too. So the tables that go here. Do you know about how big they are, or just out of curiosity?
So we have them stored under here.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're fine.
Oh, they're there. Oh, that's a clever.
Well,
place
and
to
it
put those.
actually will be better to not have these here because then you can sit. Okay, so
Oh,
let
that's
me
a substantial
let me
table.
hold
That
this.
is not-
Let me hold this up.
That is not a lightweight.
So you get a little bit on each side there.
Yeah, but once these move,
Rest.
then you can even you'd have more space.
Yes.
That's really good.
So where does it connect in on the bottom of the
It's-
table there? Is it like at the end? Oh, right in the middle. Okay, so it must sit above the
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Wow, we're doing it all today.
Just
Does
like
that
okay, so it sits about this high. Oh my gosh.
Okay. Oh, I think you got it. Okay.
There we
just-
go. So then this.
Okay.
So it sits up. Oh, okay. Nice job,
There you
Kevin.
go. And then,
Okay.
You know, obviously you
It
can swing out
turns.
Get in and out.
to get in and out. Yes.
That's really great.
So-
Oh, I'm so happy
So
to
you
see
could put your
this.
laptop on that.
Oh,
like,
for sure.
turn
Well,
it-
so if this isn't here, then you could sit a little
Right in
bit
the
more.
middle.
Yeah, like here,
Yeah.
and
So
have
each
this
one-
as a space.
Yeah.
And there's
Okay.
2 of them. So you
Okay.
have one there, one here.
That's another one. It's a little bit different.
You could work anywhere you want. Yeah,
See what I'm
that's.
saying?
Okay, Kevin. Thank you for that. I'm gonna.
Oh no, that one there is.
We're gonna make you look like a genius on this video.
That's right. He is KZ
I
certified.
do want to say yes. My name is Kevin Montague. I work out of the Birch Run location in Michigan.
Oh, you're out of
okay.
Michigan.
Yes.
Okay.
So our main store down here is going to be the Dover store.
Okay.
Okay.
But I do carry the open range in Michigan as well.
Okay.
Okay. What city in Michigan?
Birch Run, Michigan.
Birch Run.
Yep.
Okay.
General RV, Birch Run, Michigan.
Okay.
Awesome.
If we're ever up there, we'll look you up.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Finding the perfect rig is all about the details, and we want to make sure you have every single one. Down in the description, we've created a master list for this RV, including manufacturer specs, the gear we mentioned, and even a few of our favorite reviews from fellow YouTubers. It's all there to help you make the best choice. Make sure to check the pinned comment for updates, and if you're feeling the love, hit like and subscribe to the Rambling Roses crew. Tell us, is this your dream rig? What did you like or dislike? What would you do differently? Drop a comment below, and until next time, keep it campy.